Joining us now to further weigh in on President Trump's immigration effort and its impact on schools is KUSI-SD Board President Cody Petterson. Cody, good to see you. Good morning.
Thank you for having me, Jason.
So let me ask you this. When we hear reports like that and we've heard what's been the message Donald Trump has been sending, what are your biggest concerns as a school board?
Well, you know, at the level of a school district, we have one primary function, which is to ensure the safety, emotional wellness, psychological wellness, physical wellness, academic growth and achievement of our students, without regard to gender, race, ethnicity, immigration status. That is not our business. Ultimately, our business is to protect our students and ensure their well-being. So for us, our main goal is to assure our students and families and staff that they are safe on our campuses, that we will comply to the extent necessary with federal law. And if there are immigration authorities with a federal judicial warrant, we will comply with that. But otherwise, we are going to keep our students safe.
Well, because President Trump has made it pretty clear that, and Tom Holman as well, that they want to go after the criminal element that is here illegally.
Yeah, you know, ultimately, until we have a common sense, comprehensive, bipartisan immigration reform, we're going to have this process of muddling through, punctuated by periodic crackdowns. And that goes on in the adult world, and it impinges on our students. But if it's within our purview, that is not ultimately our business. Our business is to keep our kids safe, and part of that safety is psychological safety, and we want to ensure parents, when you send your kids to our schools, they are going to be safe. We are not going to do anything that endangers their physical safety or their emotional security and their wellness. We want our campuses to be the safest place for all of our students. We want them to come to whatever's happening in their lives, and many of them are facing very challenging circumstances. We want them to think of our schools as a place where they matter, where there is staff that care about them, where they have supportive, meaningful relationships with their peers. That's our goal, and we are going to do everything in our power to ensure that that is the experience of our students and families.
And what is the board doing to communicate that to the students and families? What means are you using to make sure they feel that way?
Yeah, thank you for the question. So we have, the superintendent has communicated, interim superintendent Fabiola Bagula has communicated via email. We have a website which has resources for families if they're concerned, both for families that are concerned about immigration issues or about our LGBT community, which is also feeling concerned about some of these executive orders and executive moves. And also, we're working with staff to understand, we do not want staff defying federal law. We believe in rule of law. Immigration is a federal issue, and until it's resolved at a federal level, we're going to have to deal within our purview with it. And part of that is helping our staff understand what their rights are, what our students' rights are. We have a great general counsel, Andra Green. We have a new Farshad Talebi, our new director of investigations, compliance, and accountability. We defer on certain issues to Rob Bonta, our attorney general. But by and large, if immigration authorities do not have a judicial warrant, they are not going to enter our campus. If they do not have a judicial subpoena or a court order or parental permission, they're not going to obtain information about our students. We are going to comply with federal law, but we're also going to keep our students safe in the way that we understand it.
Sounds like a very balanced approach.
Thank you.
All right, Cody Petterson. Always great to see you, Cody.
I appreciate you, Jason.
All right, thanks.